Hey Lizzie. I love you.
I love you too. Let's kiss together. Caillou, let's have fun together.
An hour later.
I'm going to put the kitchen on fire. Ha ha.
Oh, this is fire. I hope hits will be in here. So, who put the fire in here? Boris.
I don't know. Let's go see.
So, Dilo, did you put the fire in here?
No. It's Caillou. Pops the robot.
I will go ask Lizzie. So, Lizzie, did you put the fire in here?
No. It's Caillou. Pops the robot.
I will go ask Caillou. Caillou, did you put fire in here?
Yes I did.
What the? Oh my super duper mega hyper freaking god. Caillou, how dare you put on fire in here? You know that fire cause hurts everyone and burns everyone. That's it, you are grounded forever. Go to bed now. I'm leaving to hang out. I done with you. I'm calling Boris in your room.
Caillou, why did you put kitchen on fire? You are grounded forever. Pops the robot told you that. Anyways, go to sleep now.
So, it's back to normal. Thank God you fixed the kitchen, right?
Yes. I have to go now.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to the Powerhouse of Entertainment channel and my channel. Once in time, this is Pops the Robot, signing off. Goodbye.